Did you know that transformers are primarily designed to work with alternating current systems rather than direct current systems? This is because transformers operate on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which relies on the alternating magnetic fields created by AC current. In a transformer, AC current flowing through the primary winding creates a changing magnetic field that induces a voltage in the secondary winding. The frequency of the alternating current is essential for the proper operation of the transformer. DC current, on the other hand, does not produce a changing magnetic field since it flows in a constant direction, making it incompatible with the principles of electromagnetic induction. Moreover, transformers generally require a constantly changing magnetic field to efficiently transfer energy between primary and secondary windings. In DC systems, there is no inherent frequency or alternation of the current, so the transformer wouldn't perform its intended function. However, it is possible to convert DC voltage levels using other devices such as DC-DC converters or choppers. These devices can step up or step down the voltage in a DC system by using electronic switching techniques instead of relying on electromagnetic induction. Understanding the difference between AC and DC systems and how transformers rely on alternating current is crucial for efficient power management. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.